Lego Creator 3-in-1 Typewriter with flowers. Set number 31169. Consisting of 363 pieces. It was released in January of 2025 with a retail price of $24.99 and is still available at time of this video. The first model is of a flower pot including flowers, alongside a pen and a notebook. The second is of a keyboard guitar with a flower included. And the third and main build is of a mini typewriter with flowers. It includes a piece of paper in the typewriter with a moving carriage and flowers. Thank you for watching. For more Lego videos, please see Coggleblox.